Hey, what's up? You are with Ramone the Chef. We're going to be making something so simple, so quick, it's going to blow your mind. We're going to be making some courgette gnocchi. Why? It's January, veganuary, so this whole month we're going to be extra super healthy. We're going to get rid of this pouch, me and you, super healthy, super sexy. For this recipe, you're going to need some gnocchi, a little bit of garlic, courgette, basil, chili, shallot. So nice hot pan, a little bit of olive oil. We're going to be quite generous because we're going to coat the gnocchi in the olive oil. Just run your hand over the pan, make sure it's nice and hot. I'll say another like 30 seconds to a minute. While that's getting hot, we're going to just chop up some garlic. 2 cloves will be more than enough. If you're a garlic fan, free. And all we're going to do, quick tip, chop the root off, back of the knife, crush, and watch how easy it is to take the garlic off the skin. Once your pan is nice and hot, you're going to add your gnocchi. Straight in, we're not even going to boil it, we're literally just going to get a little bit of colour on there. Whilst the gnocchi's frying, all we're going to do is chop up some onion, chop up some garlic, add it straight to the pan. Next, we're going to take the chili, chop the top off, slice straight down the middle, open it up, and take out all the seeds. Exactly the same like the onions, just a really nice fine dice of chopped chilies. Once the chili is chopped, we're going to add some chili straight into the pan. After you chop the chili, courgette, chop straight in the pan. Simple. It's got a little bit of color already. We're just going to leave that for about a minute to sweat down, and then we're just going to add the rest of the ingredients. All we need to do next, chop a bit of basil up. That's it, finished. So just the basil, a nice bunch. And same again, just roughly chop straight into the pan. Just to finish, a little bit of salt, pepper. For me, that's absolutely perfect. Salt, pepper, courgettes, chili, garlic, delicious. I'll be happy with that. If you wasn't doing a veganuary, you can add a bit of cheese, a little bit of parmesan, a little bit of cheddar, or, absolutely optional, a little bit of stock cube, crumble on top, a little bit of water. You have been Ramone the Chef, gnocchi in 5 minutes. A little bit of courgette, a little bit of chili and garlic. It is so delicious. If you don't try it at home, you are seriously missing out. Like, subscribe, and comment. And I'll see you soon.